Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your Avalanche tokens from Gemini to Crypto.com. This is a straightforward process, but it's crucial to do it securely to avoid any hiccups. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can handle it with confidence. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Gemini and Crypto.com, and that your Avalanche tokens are in your Gemini wallet. Always double-check that two-factor authentication, 2FA, is enabled on both platforms to keep your assets safe. Step 1. Log into your Gemini account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to the Withdraw or Transfer section. It's usually found in the wallet area. Look for the Avalanche token in your asset list. Step 2. Select Avalanche as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. You'll need to enter the withdrawal amount. Remember, Gemini might have minimum withdrawal limits, so check that first to avoid any surprises. Step 3. Now, grab your Crypto.com wallet address. Open the Crypto.com app or website, go to your Avalanche wallet, and copy the deposit address. This is super important. Paste it carefully into the Gemini withdrawal form to ensure it goes to the right place. Pro tip. Always verify the address by comparing it character by character to prevent errors. Step 4. Review the transaction details, including fees and the network you'll be using. Avalanche typically runs on its own blockchain. Confirm everything, and hit submit. You'll get a confirmation email or notification from Gemini. Step 5. Sit tight and monitor the transaction. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's done, check your Crypto.com account to confirm the Avalanche tokens have arrived. A few quick tips. Be aware of any gas fees or network costs, as these can add up. Also, if you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. And always keep an eye on the latest updates, as crypto platforms like Gemini and Crypto.com might tweak their interfaces by 2025. There you have it. You're all set to withdraw your Avalanche tokens. This process keeps your crypto moving smoothly and securely. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.